Go for it. Let's record.
All right.
There you go, bud. Sit here next to you that way.
All right, what's going on, guys?
No auto yet. That auto checklist is big, man. I'll tell you what, there's not very many duds in it.
All right. All right, Tom Brady, Jameis Winston, and that's
Number 10?
out of 10, 1 out of 10, yeah.
Jameis Winston at 10.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, snap.
Everybody wants it, Winston.
There you go.
That's huge.
Out of 10, I agree. Larry Fitzgerald, Terrence Williams, the 84 out of 99. Peyton Manning. What did you say? Speak louder. I think they can hear me fine, this mic. Joe Flacco, Amir Abdullah. Okay.
65. And then what we can do is you can just buy them and go do it yourself, or
Drew Brees out of 99.
you get your promo packs, and if you want to break it live and let everyone see it, you can do that too. No, you don't. You see a 5, and I got another 5.
That was a very specific
Man, I cannot believe that Winston. Oh yeah, that
was
Winston's
nice.
$100 at least, guys. No doubt.
It's nice.
One of the first rookie cards, and this is a beautiful set.
Let's see.
We didn't even get a single base Winston out of the entire 18 box yesterday. Dang,
Clear vision.
those are hard to hit.
Really?
Yeah.
Clear
We
vision,
didn't have a
Joe
single one in the
Montana.
last master case. Check that out, guys. It's like a freaking stained glass window.
Is it numbered?
I don't think they are.
They're
There are some
not numbered,
parallels.
but
I think there's autograph parallels of that.
That's nice.
that is nice. That's cool. Very cool.
Promo packs.
All right, we'll do the promo packs.
Killer box.
I'm telling you, it's because of my mojo. It's rubbing
Yeah, so
off.
it's-
No, your
should
Panini
be
mojos
100.
are terrible, dude. We haven't had anything.
Nothing?
Oh, you got a. Oh, nice.
As you say that.
16 by 20, Dominic
16 by
Wilkins.
20 Dominic Wilkins. Dang.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's huge.
My Panini,
It's gonna be massive.
my Panini mojo.
Nice.
That is good, yeah.
Dude.
It's actually somebody I remember watching play,
Yeah,
so.
slam dunk, baby. Hopefully it's a good photo
You gotta
too.
lay off my mojo.
I want to see that. They should have that live too.
Most of that stuff.
Yeah. He was at the VIP party last year, so they've probably been holding it since last year. I feel like there's been a lot more redemptions for memorabilia this year, which is great.
Carl Anthony Towns. Yep.
Carl Anthony.
Cool.
Boom.